Hello to everyone. Today we will learning something about how to make HTTP request with VueJS and using the fetch method. So to do this exercise, we will use this endpoint JSON placeholder, and this is on REST API free, so we can use this endpoint, for example, and we will create a list. Then for each item we will display it using the before directive. For example, using this, then we can show the name of the user like this. So we have the template ready to display all the users. Then we can create a new method, name it get users. So we can use fetch, then write this as a promise. After the request we have a response, so we need to format this as a JSON. Then we have the data here. Assign this property here. We can create a new data property with an empty array, name it users. Then we have here data, you can assign it, and when the instance is ready, in the mounted method we can call our method, name it get users. That's it. First of all, we made a HTTP request, then we format the response as a JSON, then we assign the data in this variable named users, and the template can display all the users here. If we click on the run button, we have here our users, displaying the 10 users. So that's it. As you can see, it's really easy to use the before directive, using methods and making an HTTP request. Thanks for watching.